What's up? What's up? Alright, so we're gonna do this exhaust right now. This is the Wirus exhaust. If you want to see the video of me unboxing that, just check it out here. But yeah, already got the truck lifted up in the back. And let's take a look at our plan of attack. Might be a bit dark here. Oh man. Alright, so what we gotta do is take off that one exhaust clamp right there. Then we gotta remove one hanger and then remove that hanger. Take out the old exhaust and then put the new one in reverse order. So shouldn't be too hard. It's not too rusty here. Already took care of some of it with liquid wrench. Best penetrating oil in my opinion. If you think there's a better penetrating oil out there, let me know. But bang for the buck. Project Farm, shout out. I'm gonna get you some exhaust clips, then we're gonna hit you with the time lapse, and then we'll see how the new one's. Alright guys, got the old exhaust off. Wasn't actually too bad. That penetrating oil really helped. Look how clean that one is. And then there's the flange. And yeah. So I just gotta pop the new one on, clean that flange off, and clamp it all back in. And this OEM muffler is really heavy compared to the new exhaust. But yeah, gonna swap that in and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, there you have it, fully installed. Way easier than I thought it would be, like extremely easy. Hope you enjoyed that sound clip. If you want a driving sound clip, just holla at me, I can record one. Otherwise, as always, thank you and peace.